Welcome to Ben Noom Design.
In this lecture, we will talk about the only key shortcut you will ever need for the code, and that is the command palette. You can also view it by going to View Command Palette. But if we press Ctrl Shift and B, we will open the command palette from which we can access any command inside Visual to Code. For example, if we want to make the font bigger, if we search, we will see that we can get the command to get the zoom in or zoom out. As you can see, I don't need to remember anything, or if I want to, for example, reset the window, I can do that. And also, as later on, we will work with extensions. Extensions will come with their own commands, which will go to this menu right here. It is very convenient. For example, if I'm not careful and I'm hiding my activity bar, hey, how can I make it back? I'm sure there's an entry right here somewhere, but no problem. I just can call the common palette and say activity bar toggle, activity bar visibility, and I'm done. And since we are talking about commands and gives notice, at least the commands from the menus, almost all of them have some key bindings. For example, Infilus Control and Open Fire Control All and so on, you can go to them. One way to edit or to view all the key bindings in this code is, again, Control Command Palette. And if I search for a keyboard, I can view it in a nice markdown way if I go to Preferences. Open Keyboard Shortcuts, and here I have an extensive list with all the commands inside my voice code. I can even add them, edit them if I want. I can go right here and if I want, I press another key combination and that is overridden. This is very convenient. If I want a way to view this, that this changes in, keys, I can also call the command palette. And if I go to keyboard, I can open this keyboard shortcuts as JSON, and this will only contain the files that I will have modified for my particular installation. As you can see, this will be saved locally on my computer. This being said, remember this combination Ctrl Shift and P command palette, and now we are ready to work with files. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.